everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Sumatech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is arithmetic operator in Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is arithmetic operators. So the arithmetic operators are used with the numeric values to perform the mathematical operations. So we are discussing the operators that are arithmetic operators. The operators are, first of all, the symbol is this, used for addition, for an example, that is x plus y according to using the variables. This is the operator used in arithmetic operators. So the next one is this is called the subtraction. For an example, x minus y. So the next one is this is called multiplication. For an example, x multiplied by y. Next is this is called division. We can write as x divided by y. So the next one is this is called exponential. For an example, it could be written as x, this and y. So these are the examples of the arithmetic operators used in Python programming language. So now we'll discuss these examples according to the operators. Suppose I am taking a first example of addition. So I am writing here, first of all I have taken a value that is 1, my second value is 2. So now I will put this into a variable. Suppose my first variable name is x, second is y. So I need to print this. So I will write here print. My operator is x, addition that is this and y. So in the next line the output will be 1 plus 2 that is 3. So our output is 3 in this way. So next is subtraction. For an example, the operator will be changed, that is subtraction, and this is 2 minus 1 that is 1. So the answer for the second subtraction one is 1. So according to that, the third one is multiplication. So 1 multiplied by 2 is, the answer is 2. So the output will be 2 here. So add on the next one. Suppose I am taking the value of x as 2 and here I am taking 2 again. So the print is, that is for the division one, x divided by y. So the answer is 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. So the next one is exponentials. So we'll write here print x exponential value that is of y. So this is called as 2 should be written into 2 times. 2 into 2, answer is 4. So this is the exponential operators of the arithmetic operator. So in this type we can use operators used for in the various examples, which is x plus y or any other variable.
So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is arithmetic operators. So first of all we'll take a value that is x and the value y. So after that we'll print the value that is x plus y, that is used for the addition. So we can see the result, that is 4, that is x plus y is equals to 4. So the next example is subtraction, that is for using the subtract values of the variables. So first of all, our variable name is x, second is y, and the value is 2 of both. So now print the value of x and y, that is x minus y. So the answer is 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So we can see the answer here. So the next example is of, suppose I am taking the first value x and second is y. These are, so the next example is x plus y, that is x value is 2 and the y value is 2. So now we'll print the value, that is x multiply by y. So the answer is 2 into 2, 4. So we can see the answer of the multiplication operator, that is arithmetic multiple operator. So the next one is the x value, the value we have taken, that is 2, and the value is y, so its value is 4. So we'll do here print, that is x and y. We need the exponential of x and y. So we can see here the answer is 16. Like the exponential of 2 according to 4 is 16. So the next example is of division. Suppose our first variable is x, the value of x variable is 4, and another variable is y, the value of y is 2. So now we'll print the value, that is x divided by y. So now we'll see the answer. That is 2.0. This is the answer of division. So this is how we can use the arithmetic operators in the Python programming language. This is for the addition to add, and this is for the subtraction to minus the value. So this is for the multiplication, this is the exponential, and this is division.
So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.